Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of dropshipping. If you're looking for a side hustle that requires low upfront investment and minimal inventory management, dropshipping might be the perfect fit for you. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to start your own dropshipping business. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step in starting a dropshipping business is to select a niche or a specific product category that you're passionate about or one that has a high demand in the market. Research trending products, consider your target audience, and identify a niche that aligns with your interests and market potential. Step 2. Conduct market research. Once you've chosen your niche, it's crucial to conduct thorough market research. Identify your competitors, analyze their product offerings, pricing, and marketing strategies. This research will help you position your dropshipping business effectively and differentiate yourself in the market. Step 3. Set up your e-commerce store. To start your dropshipping business, you'll need an online store or a platform to showcase and sell your products. Popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce offer user-friendly interfaces, customizable templates, and seamless integrations with dropshipping suppliers. Step 4. Find reliable dropshipping suppliers. The success of your dropshipping business depends on establishing partnerships with reliable suppliers. Look for suppliers with a wide range of quality products, competitive pricing, and efficient shipping methods. You can find suppliers through platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Salehu. Step 5. Create product listings. Once you have identified your products and suppliers, it's time to create compelling product listings. Write clear and engaging descriptions, showcase high-quality product images, and optimize your listings with relevant keywords to improve visibility in search results. Step 6. Implement marketing strategies. To attract customers and drive traffic to your dropshipping store, it's essential to implement effective marketing strategies. Utilize social media platforms, run targeted ads, collaborate with influencers, and optimize your website for search engines. Marketing plays a crucial role in the success of your dropshipping business. Step 7. Final step. Provide excellent customer service. Customer satisfaction is paramount in dropshipping. Ensure timely and efficient order fulfillment, promptly respond to customer inquiries, and address any concerns or issues. Building a positive customer experience will help you gain repeat customers and establish a good reputation. Congratulations! You now have a solid foundation for starting your own dropshipping business. Remember, success in dropshipping requires continuous learning, adaptability, and perseverance. Stay updated with market trends, explore new product opportunities, and optimize your operations. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your dropshipping journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. See you in the next video.